I need a finger snapping, knuckle cracking song to start my day. A knee slapping, toe tapping, country roundelay. A song that makes my feet start moving, one that sets my heart grooving. That's the kind of song I need to brighten up my day. Don't want no sad songs that bring me pain. If you're thinking you can steal my joy, you're trying it in vain. Don't kill my buzz, don't make me frown. I want a good old country song that never lets me down. I need a finger snapping, knuckle cracking song to start my day. A knee slapping, toe tapping, country roundelay. A song that makes my feet start moving, one that sets my heart grooving. That's the kind of song I need to brighten up my day. Give me some rhythm, give me a beat. Let's take ourselves out dancing till the shoes fall off our feet. Put on some satin, put on some lace. Then grab your extra happy smile and put it on your face. I need a finger snapping, knuckle cracking song to start my day. A knee slapping, toe tapping, country roundelay. A song that makes my feet start moving, one that sets my heart grooving. That's the kind of song I need to brighten up my day. I need a finger snapping, knuckle cracking song to start my day. A knee slapping, toe tapping, country roundelay. A song that makes my feet start moving, one that sets my heart grooving. That's the kind of song I need to brighten up my day. That's the kind of song I need to brighten up my day.